Deep beneath the surface, thousands of tons of abandoned fishing nets drift like ghosts, haunting our oceans and threatening the delicate balance of marine life everywhere. Each year, over 600,000 tons of plastic gear are lost at sea. But today we witness the start of a revolutionary journey toward global restoration. These discarded materials, once symbols of pollution, carry the potential for a new life, waiting to be transformed through the power of modern industrial innovation and science. To save our seas, we must look at this waste not as trash, but as a valuable resource that can be reclaimed and repurposed for a sustainable future. The recovery process begins with heavy machinery pulling these massive burdens from the depths, clearing the ocean floor, and giving the marine ecosystem a chance to breathe. Dedicated teams work tirelessly to harvest these harmful plastics, transporting them from the wild waves to the controlled environment of our state-of-the-art regeneration facilities on land. At the port, the scale of the challenge becomes visible as mountains of nylon waste sit under the golden sun, prepared for their first stage of purification. This massive collection of ocean debris marks the end of its destructive path and the beginning of a circular economy that will redefine the textile industry forever. The transformation starts in a clinical environment where advanced robotics and expert sorters carefully categorize every piece of net by its chemical composition and original color. Sorting is a critical step, ensuring that only the highest quality nylon 6 is selected for the depolymerization process that lies ahead in the production line. With mechanical precision, the waste is organized and prepared, moving steadily toward the machines that will break down its physical form into manageable, uniform industrial strips. Powerful hydraulic cutters slice through the heavy ropes, shredding the massive nets into smaller pieces to increase the surface area for the intensive cleaning stages to follow. The material is now unrecognizable as fishing gear, reduced to a raw state that allows for deep purification and the removal of all trapped oceanic organic matter. The rhythmic sound of machinery fills the air as the nylon is processed, ensuring every single fiber is ready to undergo a thorough and rigorous cleaning cycle. In the washing tanks, high-pressure water jets and specialized solutions create a powerful vortex, stripping away years of salt, sand, and biological residue from the plastic. Every fragment is subjected to multiple cycles of turbulence, achieving a level of cleanliness that matches virgin materials, removing 99% of all impurities from the sea. The purification process is both an art and a science, utilizing closed-loop water systems to minimize environmental impact while maximizing the purity of the reclaimed nylon. Following the wash, the nylon travels through high-speed drying tunnels, where massive industrial fans remove every trace of moisture, leaving the material bone dry and ready for chemistry. The material has been reborn, cleansed of its past in the ocean, and prepared for the molecular transformation that will turn waste back into its original form. We now enter the heart of the facility, where the physical world meets molecular science, as the clean nylon scraps are fed into the advanced chemical reactor. This is depolymerization, a sophisticated process that uses heat and pressure to break the polymer chains of the nylon back down into their fundamental chemical building blocks. Engineers monitor the conditions with absolute precision, ensuring the environment inside the vessels is perfect for reversing the polymerization process without damaging the raw material's integrity. On a microscopic level, the long chains of nylon are dismantled, effectively erasing the history of the waste and returning it to a pure, virgin monomer state. This breakthrough technology allows us to recycle nylon infinitely, maintaining the same high performance and quality as brand new material derived from traditional petroleum sources. The heat generated within the system is carefully recycled, creating an energy-efficient loop that further reduces the carbon footprint of this revolutionary manufacturing process. Flowing through a complex network of pipes, the liquid monomer is purified even further, passing through microscopic filters to remove any remaining non-nylon particles or pigments. The resulting liquid is the essence of regeneration, a pure chemical precursor that serves as the foundation for creating high-performance fibers for various premium global industries. Quality control is constant, as every batch of monomer is tested for chemical purity and consistency, ensuring the final product will meet the most demanding standards. As the refined monomer moves to the next phase, it undergoes polymerization once again, rebuilding the long, strong molecular chains that give nylon its incredible durability. In this cathedral of modern industry, the recycled raw material is reborn, regaining its strength and flexibility through a process that is both sustainable and scientifically advanced. Precise pressure control ensures the new polymer reaches the exact viscosity required for high-speed spinning, creating a material that is indistinguishable from its virgin counterpart. The newly formed polymer is stabilized and cooled, moving toward the final physical transformation that will turn liquid potential into solid, high-quality plastic resin. The molten polymer is extruded through precision dies, emerging as continuous ribbons of pure nylon that represent the ultimate success of the ocean cleanup effort. Entering the cooling bath, the hot nylon solidifies instantly, changing from a flowing liquid into a tough, flexible strand, ready for the high-speed pelletizing machines. The sound of rapid cutting echoes through the hall as the strands are chopped into millions of identical, tiny pellets, the primary form of recycled plastic raw material. These pellets are the gold of the circular economy, representing 100% recycled content that retains all the premium properties of traditional nylon 6 resin. Clean, pure, and sustainable, these granules are now ready to be shipped to spinning mills across the globe, where they will be turned into fine yarns. From the depths of the ocean to these organized warehouses, the journey of the waste has reached a major milestone, proving that sustainability and quality can coexist. Every bag is a testament to innovation, carrying the certification of a truly circular product that reduces environmental impact and preserves our planet's natural resources for future generations. The logistics of sustainability move forward as the regenerated material begins the next phase of its life, destined for the high-speed looms of the fashion world. Now, the pellets are heated once more in the spinning facility, melting down to be forced through the microscopic holes of a precision spinneret plate. This is where the magic of textiles begins, as the molten plastic is transformed into delicate filaments that are much thinner than a single human hair. The filaments are bundled and twisted with extreme accuracy, creating a strong and flexible yarn that possesses the perfect balance of softness and industrial-grade durability. The scale of production is breathtaking, with hundreds of spindles working in unison to produce miles of recycled nylon yarn every single hour of the day. Advanced sensors monitor the tension and thickness of the thread in real time, ensuring that every meter of yarn is flawless and ready for high-performance applications. Automation is key to the efficiency of this process, as intelligent robots handle the heavy lifting and precise movements required in this high-speed manufacturing environment. The finished yarn is a marvel of engineering, boasting high tensile strength and a smooth finish that makes it ideal for everything from sportswear to luxury fashion. Expert eyes complement the machine's precision, verifying the texture and quality to ensure that the promise of a premium recycled material is fully realized in every cone. These cones are the building blocks of a new era in clothing, where style and sustainability are no longer mutually exclusive, but are woven together seamlessly. The yarn now moves to the circular knitting machines, where thousands of needles move at incredible speeds to transform individual threads into a cohesive, high-tech fabric. The rhythmic clatter of the machine is the sound of progress, as the recycled ocean nylon is finally taking its final form as a versatile and beautiful textile. Every stitch is a step toward a cleaner planet, as the material that once choked marine life is now being crafted into something useful and enduring. The result is a textile that is soft to the touch, yet incredibly resilient, offering the same stretch and breathability as the finest virgin nylon fabrics available today. Inspection is the final gate, where every inch of the fabric is scrutinized for defects, ensuring that only perfection reaches the hands of designers and manufacturers. A human touch confirms what the machines have measured, a luxurious feel that belies the material's humble and rugged origin as abandoned ocean waste. Technological excellence continues into the finishing stages, where lasers and heat-setting machines ensure the fabric will maintain its shape and color for years of use. Each finished roll is carefully packaged and labeled, ready to be sent to the world's leading brands who are committed to making a positive environmental impact. The warehouse stands as a gallery of potential, filled with sustainable textiles that will soon be transformed into high-end swimwear, activewear, and fashion-forward apparel. Designers around the globe are embracing this material, finding inspiration in its story and the incredible quality it brings to their most creative and sustainable collections. In the hands of master tailors, the fabric is sculpted into garments that are not only beautiful, but also carry a powerful message of hope and restoration. From the ocean floor to the retail floor, the loop is almost complete, showing the world that luxury and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. This tag tells a story of survival and rebirth, giving consumers the power to choose products that actively contribute to the cleaning of our planet's oceans. We return to where it all began, but the scene has changed. The beach is clean, the water is clear, and the fashion is part of the solution. The circular economy is not just a concept. It is a reality that is healing our natural world, one recovered net and one recycled garment at a time. Durability and performance meet their greatest test in the wild, as the regenerated nylon proves its worth in the very environment it was saved from. By removing the ghost nets, we have restored the vibrant life of the reefs, allowing the ocean's inhabitants to thrive in a safe and clean habitat once again. This is the essence of the circular loop. Nothing is lost, everything is transformed, and the planet is the ultimate beneficiary of our industrial ingenuity and care. Our commitment to sustainability extends beyond the product to the very buildings where we work, utilizing renewable energy to power the future of textile manufacturing. Every kilogram of regenerated nylon produced saves oil, reduces carbon emissions, and removes hazardous plastic from the sea, making it a win for everyone involved. It takes a global community of scientists, divers, and designers to make this possible, united by a shared vision of a cleaner and more sustainable world. As we look to the future, we see a world where industrial waste is a thing of the past, replaced by a cycle of perpetual renewal and growth. The resurrection of ocean waste is more than a technical achievement. It is a powerful reminder of what we can accomplish when we align technology with nature. We invite you to join us on this journey, to support the products that protect our planet, and to be part of the solution for a greener future. Together, we are not just recycling trash, we are reclaiming our oceans and ensuring that their beauty remains for generations to come, forever and always. Thank you for being part of the rebirth. Choose sustainable. Choose regenerated. For the ocean, for the earth, and for the future of us all.